In this video, we will import a schedule from Primavera P6. To import from P6, export from Synchro to P6, or synchronize with an updated schedule, you will need both P6 and Synchro installed on the same computer. You will also need the P6 API installed. The API allows Synchro to exchange data with Primavera and can be downloaded for free from the Synchro software website. To check whether the API has been set up on your computer, open the Options tool from the Home ribbon. Expand Synchronization and select Primavera P6. The Integration API path should be filled out. If it is blank, you will need to download and install the API before selecting Browse to choose the file path. Once the API is set up on your computer, you can import, export, and synchronize files directly with P6. To import a schedule from P6, select File, Import, Primavera P6. Note that this option will be grayed out if you do not have the API properly installed. The import window appears. Select Load DB. If you have more than one P6 database set up, you will be able to select the correct one from the drop-down menu. Then enter your login details for that database and select Connect to see the list of projects sorted by EPS. Select a project name to see the project ID and data date below. Make sure the project ID is correct before importing. If you synchronize the schedule later, the updated P6 project will need to have the exact same project ID. The project name can change, but the project ID must remain the same. If you need to change the project ID, do so in P6, then reload the database. After selecting the correct schedule from the list, select Next. Here you can see all the attributes available for import from P6. If you wish to skip a particular attribute, left-click on the attribute and use the drop-down menu to select Skip. When finished, select Import. You will be presented with an import report showing exactly what was imported. You may wish to save the import report for reference. To do so, press Select All, then Copy to Clipboard. You can then paste into any text editor. Select Finish. The schedule has now been imported.